In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update or replace a Google Drive file without changing its link on a computer. This is perfect when you've already shared a file and want everyone to keep using the same link, but you need to swap in a newer version. Start by opening your web browser and going to https drive.google.com. Sign in with your Google account. If you use more than one account, double-check the profile icon in the top right to make sure you're in the correct drive where the file lives. Next, locate the file you want to update. You can browse through your folders or use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. Once you see the file, right-click it to open the menu. Choose File Information, then click Details. A Details panel will appear on the right side of the screen. Scroll down in that panel until you see an option called Manage Versions and click it. This opens the version management window for that file. Now click Upload New Version. Your computer's file picker will pop up. Navigate to the updated file you want to use, select it, and click Open. Google Drive will upload it and set it as the latest version of that file. The best part is you don't have to change any sharing settings or send a new link. The existing share link stays exactly the same, so anyone who opens that link will automatically get the updated content. A few quick tips as this uploads. Larger files may take a moment, so keep the tab open until you see the upload finish. If you don't see the Manage Versions option, you're likely working with a Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides file. Those use a built-in version system inside the editor, while Manage Versions is designed for standard files like PDFs, images, videos, and Office documents. Also, for best results, upload a file of the same type as the original so it replaces cleanly. After the upload completes, you can verify the update by previewing the file or opening the link you've already shared. Everything will look the same to your viewers, except they'll now be seeing the most recent content. This approach is especially helpful for documents you share in websites, emails, or project portals, because it keeps your links stable and eliminates confusion. That's all there is to it. Open Drive, sign in, find your file, open file information and details, go to Manage Versions, upload the new version, and you're done. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.